हाय मिलिंद, सर्वप्रथम तुला तुझ्या 60व्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त आमच्या संपूर्ण घटने परिवारातर्फे अनेक 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 शुभेच्छा. सो तू 60 वर्षाचा झाला, होणारच होता 1.5 वर्षापूर्वी. मी 60 वर्षाचं झालो. अर्थात मी अजून तेवढा म्हातारा वाटत नाही तुझ्या इतका, असो पण 60 वर्षाच्या शुभेच्छा. वेलकम टू द ग्रुप ऑफ सिनियर सिटीजन्स. ऑफकोर्स वी ऑल नो दॅट 60 इज जस्ट अ नंबर. आपण सर्वच बाबतीत तरुण आहे. मी असं म्हणणार नाही फक्त मनाने तरुण आहे, आपण सर्वच बाबतीत तरुण आहे. आपण असेच राहणार आहोत, असंच लाईफ एन्जॉय करणार आहोत. ज्यावेळी टीनाने सांगितलं की असं एक व्हिडिओ क्लिपिंग करायची आहे आणि तुझ्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त, त्यावेळी मी म्हटलं काय बोलावं, आणि ऑटोमॅटिकली माझं जी मेमरी लेन आहे ती एकदम 1977-78 पर्यंत मागे गेली. आणि आपण सगळे साधारण 9वी-10वीत असताना आपण बांद्र्याला राहायला आलो पारिजातमध्ये, आणि नंतर 1-2 महिन्यातच आपली एवढी घट्ट मैत्री झाली. आणि त्यानंतरचा जो पिरियड जो आपण एन्जॉय केला आहे तो म्हणजे अक्षरशः विसरणं शक्य नाही आहे. आणि हे सगळं आठवत असताना मिलिंद मला एक गोष्ट जाणवली. आय डोंट नो तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना ती जाणवते की नाही, की आपल्या या ज्या सुरुवातीच्या काळामध्ये ज्यावेळी आपली मैत्री झाली आणि आपण खूप एन्जॉय केलं, त्यामध्ये ए बिल्डिंगच्या टेरेसचा हा खूप मोठा रोल आहे, किंवा तो एक मोठा व्हेन्यू आहे आपल्या दृष्टीने. आपण काय काय केलं टेरेसवर. अर्थात सगळ्या गोष्टी काही सांगण्यासारख्या नाही आहेत, पण ज्या सांगण्यासारख्या गोष्टी आहेत ते म्हणजे संध्याकाळची भेळ पार्टी, डबा पार्टी, कोजागिरी, ज्यामध्ये धनु पैसा वसूल होईस तर भेळ ओरपायचा. नंतर उन्हाळ्याच्या सुट्टीमध्ये लिफ्ट रूमच्या खाली बसून पत्ते खेळ, व्यापार खेळ, नंतर पतंग उडवण्याच्या पण गप्पा मारायचो आपण, आठवत आहे ना. सो पतंग, नंतर उद्याने ती भली मोठी पतंग केली होती, ती आपण लांब लचक उडवली होती, खूप फोर्स होता. वी डिड नॉट अलाउ धनू टू होल्ड इट. आपल्याला वाटायचं तो उडून जाईल. सो खूप आठवणी आहेत रे, खूप खूप आठवणी आहेत. नंतर रात्री पण पतंग आपण उडवायचो कंदील वगैरे लावून. त्याच्यानंतर रात्री आपण झोपायला जायचो गच्चीवर उन्हाळ्याच्या सुट्टीमध्ये, आणि झोपायच्या आधी ए बिल्डिंगच्या त्या पाण्याच्या टाकीवर बसून गप्पा मारायचो खूप. आणि मग रात्री कधीतरी 12:30-1 नंतर झोपायचो. आणि सकाळी जशी ज्याला जाग येईल तसं तो आपापली वळकटी घेऊन खाली उतरायचा. ॲज युजल दिलीप सगळ्यात शेवटी असायचा. सो खूप खूप सुंदर हे क्षण आहे. या व्यतिरिक्त देखील खूप चांगले क्षण आहे. हे सगळे आपण एन्जॉय करत होतो. मध्ये आपल्याला सेटबॅक बसला एक, आपल्या दोघांची लग्न झाली, पण वी कंटिन्यू टू एन्जॉय, वी कंटिन्यू टू मेंटेन. आणि लग्न झाल्यानंतर माझं सगळ्यात अगोदर लग्न झालं, आणि त्यामुळे माझी फार मोठी गोची झाली तुमच्याबरोबर सगळं मैत्री सांभाळताना. तुम्ही साल्यांनो अचानक मध्येच उठून संध्याकाळी ठरवायचा आज चायनीज गाडीवर जायचं, आज गुप्ताजीकडे जायचं, आणि माझी तारांबळ व्हायची. तिथेही खायचं, आणि घरी आल्यानंतर परत मंजूने केलेलंही खायचं, तिला कळू नये म्हणून. फार गमतीचे ते सगळे दिवस होते. आणि अजूनही ते आठवलं की चेहरा असा फुलतो, अचानक एक छान हसू चेहऱ्यावर उमटतं. सो मिलिंद, आणि ॲक्च्युली टीना, आय एम नॉट हॅपी विथ दिस बिकॉज जस्ट 1.5 मिनिटं इज नॉट इनफ, सो मे बी मिलिंद, ज्यावेळी तुझ्या 75 आपण साजरी करू आणि त्यावेळी व्हिडिओ करू, त्यावेळी टीना मेक इट अ पॉईंट की मला कमीत कमी 10-15 मिनटं तरी दिली पाहिजे. कारण ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी फार विनोदी आहेत, फार आनंदी आहेत, आणि त्या शेअर करण्यामध्ये खूप मजा आहे. सो टिल देन मिलिंद, ऑल द बेस्ट. आहेस तू असाच राहा, आणि आमच्या सर्व घटने परिवारातर्फे तुला परत एकदा 60व्या वर्षाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. बाय.
Hi Mama, happy 60th birthday. So I am recording this from a place where I think you would enjoy it. It is by the river in Memphis, right across from Ruchi's apartment complex, and I know how much you like the nature. That's why I wanted to come out here and shoot this for you. And I just wanted to wish you Mama very 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 happy birthday. माझा पहिला intention was to shoot it in your and mine place of worship, which is our dental office. But that didn't happen. But Mama, there's so many memories, so many things that come into mind, especially for your birthdays when food used to be the core of everything. Pot ice cream, chicken tandoori. But you have been such an influence on all of our lives. You were the one who introduced us to Star Wars, to Michael Jackson, to George Michael, to Madonna. And then you also inspired me for my profession and my career. So you have influenced my life for sure more than what you may think. So thank you for being a positive influence and an amazing influence. And most importantly, bringing Mommy in our lives, because she has been such a source of enthusiasm for all of us, and we love both of you. We love both of you, and happy birthday from me and Ruchi and Kushal and Abhijit, and have a wonderful day celebrating. Love you, Mama. Happy 60th. Bye.
मिलिंद, तुमच्या 60व्या वाढदिवसाच्या तुम्हाला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
Hello Minda, happy birthday to you Babu. Bye.
Hi Milin, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. Lots of love and blessings on this milestone in your life. I and Milin became friends when we joined Marriott Dental College. That was almost 32 years back, and ever since we've been more family than friends, and our days at NHGC would not have been wonderful and memorable had it not been for Milin. Since we were both in Bandra, we had lovely time going and coming back together. And Milin is a very unassuming guy, a kind of an all-rounder, very good in sports and cricket, table tennis, carom, but not very good at studies. I mean to say we were not very serious. And he's like my I can call him like my 2 a.m. friend. Like whenever I have a problem, I would call him first than any of my other friends. And whenever I have a problem, like a health problem or anything, I have to just call him, and he'll assure me that everything is fine. So Milin, all the best, and have a lovely time on your birthday. And I think you have a anniversary coming. So Milin and Ujjwala both are very lovely couple, and they complement each other so well. So all the best, and wish you many more years of togetherness. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Milin. Wish you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the best in life, good health and happiness always. And in advance, a very happy marriage anniversary to both you and Ujjwala.
Birthday, Nolan Uncle. Happy 60th birthday, Nolan Uncle. Happy 60th birthday, Nolan Uncle.
Happy birthday, Milin Kaka.
Happy 60th birthday Milan Uncle.
Hey guys, did you know that now we're gonna get a senior citizen entry at Costco? That means we can shop more at Costco. Yay!
Awesome.
Okay, what do we say?
We'll miss you. We'll miss
Oh,
you.
of course.
Come visit again. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Milin. I want to take this opportunity to say that I consider myself very fortunate for having you in my life, because you're one of the nicest persons I've ever met. And incidentally, you happen to be my husband's best friend. He wants to say something to you.
Hi Melinda. I came across a song that describes exactly what you are to me. It goes like this. तेरी हरे बुराई पे डांटे वो दो, गम की भोथू तो साया बने तेरा वो दो, नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में, अरे यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है, वही तो वो राज़दार बेगरज तेरा हो यार, वही तो वो राज़दार. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Milin. Happy birthday to you.
And Ujjwala, you're the force that binds us all together. We've spent such amazing times in the past, and I know there will be many more in the future.
Ujjwala, the times we spent together growing up are the ones I cherish the most. Thanks for being there for me.
And by the way, wishing you a very happy wedding anniversary in advance.
Happy anniversary.
Hi Vinda, many happy returns of the day. Also 60वा वाढदिवस. Have a wonderful day. मजा कर, enjoy कर. Yeah?
हॅलो मिलिंद, हॅपी बर्थडे, मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. बघ तुझा वाढदिवस आहे, तुला विश करायला गॉगल लावून करते. आठवतं ना, तू सकाळी आम्हाला सगळ्यांना 3 वाजता शब्द सांगायचा, गॉगल लावून या, म्हणून मी गॉगल लावून तुला विश करते. एनिवे, एन्जॉय युअर डे, हॅव अ वंडरफुल डे. 60 वर्ष पूर्ण झाली आणि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इज तब्येतीची काळजी घे, व्यवस्थित राहा. ओके, बाय.
Bye.
Hi Milan, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Man, it's so hard to imagine we have become 60 years old and above. So we have had a lot of years in our lives, but I think one of the best years we ever had, or at least I had, is with friends like you, man. Those great times we had at Bandra, in Parijat. Whether it was school days or going to school or our summer vacations, just hanging out, especially those long fun conversations, man, and most of them I guess on the Gachi, and our long walks to bandstand and or towards the Mahim side, or long walks even into the sea right in front of us. So those were some fun times, and I wish you 60 or more years of the similar fun times again. And I hope we get to hang out again. And I wish I was there for your birthday, but we can't have it all. So you have a fun time, man. Wish you a very happy birthday and wish you many happy returns. And I look forward to meeting you soon again, and we can officially now say, our club is 60 and above club. So welcome to the club. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Milin. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Enjoy. Cheers.
हाय मिलिंद, आपण दोघंही 1964 बॉर्न आहोत, तरी तू 60 झाला आणि मला अजून खूप वेळ आहे, असं कसं? Jokes apart, many happy returns of the day on your milestone birthday. May you have a wonderful life ahead.
Dear Milin uncle, we know you in many ways. As Uday Mama's best friend, Ujjwala Tai's husband, and Tina's uncle. But to us, you are much more than that. You are our dear Milin uncle. Today we celebrate you for your kindness, your warmth, and for being such an important part of our life. Your zest for life, your knack for finding humor in everyday moments, and our shared love for good food. These things keep you close to our hearts. You gave us a book about 15 years ago that has since become one of our most cherished possessions. Whenever we need a dose of wisdom or a bit of kindness, that book has been our compass. We hope your birthday is filled with as much joy as you bring to us and everyone around you. May this day remind you of all the love and gratitude we feel for you. May our birthday today be filled with joy, laughter, and happiness that you bring to everyone around you. Happy birthday, Milin uncle, from Aparna, Rahul, Ishan, and Anusha.
Dear Ujjwala Tai and Milin Dada, happy birthday Milin Dada, and hope you have the best day. Ujjwala Tai, you really may not know this, but you are one of the most influential people in my life. The way you manage a non-stereotypical career is outstanding. You set the stage for all of us to think outside the box and have a perfect life. The way you manage relationships and went out of the way to do things for people around you has taught me to be that selfless person. I love you so much and I hope I can be half like you. Milind Dada, you're such an inspiring person. You're doing so well in everything, but yet so humble and so loving. I wish you both the best of everything and hope to see you soon. Love you.
ताई, वैजूताई, चमकलात ना? या आर्ता हाकेसाठी तुमच्या एवढीच मीही आतुर असते. जशी दादा या हाकेला सर्व दादा मनापासून दाद देतात. पप्पा, कैसे हो? मिलू, तू बोल यार. हे प्रेमळ मित्रत्वाचे संवाद आमचे कान तृप्त करतात. आमच्या बाबांचा मिलू, अम्माचा मिलिंद हा आमच्या बहिणाबाईमुळे आम्हाला गवसलेला आनंदाचा झरा, मकरंद असा. क्रिकेटचा मिस्किल जाणकार, खेळवून ठेवणारा स्टोरी टेलर, गणपती पूजन करणारा पंडित, आमचा आध्यात्मिक गुरु, एक प्रसन्न वल्ली. हाडाचा डेंटिस्ट, पण त्यात थोडा जास्त हळवा आणि कंपॅशनेट. मानसचा अगदी जवळचा काका. निसर्गप्रेमी, त्यातल्या त्यात समुद्राशी आणि त्यातील सुरमई, रावस, बांगडा आणि काटेरी करली ही तर जणू त्याची करवलीच. कारवारच्या समुद्रातली 15 किलो वजनाची जाड जूड ताजी ताजी सुरमई जेव्हा त्याच्या हाती लागली ना, तेव्हा दोघांच्या डोळ्यातली चमक बघून आम्ही बघे चमकलोच. ती बिचारी सुरमई काय जाणे की ती एका खवय्याच्या हाती लागली आहे ते. अगं हो, घेते घेते आवरतं. मंडळी, टीना केव्हाची खुणावते, म्हणते मावशी कट कट. टीनाताई, कटकट म्हणणं किती सोपं असतं गं, पण भावनांनी ऊर भरून आला ना की मग त्या काळजाचाच ठाव घेतात. आणि मग काळीज नकळत म्हणतं, मिलिंद, तुला आम्हा सर्वांकडून 60व्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त मनपूर्वक खूप खूप शुभेच्छा आणि अनेकोत्तम पुनरागमनाय. थँक्यू टीना. Indeed, I feel privileged.
Hi Kaka.
Hi Kaka.
Many happy returns of the day.
Wish you a happy 60th birthday.
We heard that the 60 is the new 30, Kaka.
And you're proving it completely. So have a great day and we look forward to seeing you in Germany soon with us so we can have a lot of fun.
Wish you good health and a mega exciting time. See you soon, Kaka.
Bye.
Hi, before I begin, would like to wish Milind a very happy 60th birthday. Tons of good wishes, good health and forever happiness with his lovely family. What can I say about Milind? Great friends are very hard to find, and Milind, Abhay, Uday, Umesh and Prabhu have been wonderful. Milind, we all go a long way back to 1983 when I had joined Nair Hospital. I was a lost soul, totally out of place with a group of nerds whom I tried to shake off, and fortunately met my future besties whose frequencies were somewhat aligned to mine, and later almost aligned, I'm sure. It has been a long journey and it has been fun. Milind, I can describe him as a gentle giant with a great bit of musty and always ready for anything. A strong pillar that you can always lean on and a friend that you can always trust. I have been writing these notes. I've been trying to find the right words to describe him. It has been difficult to find the right ones, but my wife Shirin and I, we always talk about our good days that we had in Nair Hospital and the fun we had, the table tennis, the lassis that we used to drink after college, and our train trips back home. Milind is a super guy, a great friend, and I feel very lucky and blessed to have the four of you in my life as friends. Milind, Uday, Prabhu, Antarkar, Umesh. We were known as the Pandavas in Nair Hospital, and since then we have stayed that way. I wish Milind all the best on this landmark occasion and hope that all of us are there again to celebrate his 100th birthday in the same vigor and happiness as we do now. Cheers, buddy. Wish you all the best. Always take care and God bless. Bye.
Hey Kaka, happy birthday.
हॅपी 60th बर्थडे काका. वेल आता तू यावेळेचा बर्थडे बिग बर्थडे अँड युअर सेलिब्रेटिंग इन टर्की. वा दॅट्स बेस्ट. मस्त बकलावा हाण, मजा कर. कॅन वेट टू कॅन कम अँड सी यू ओव्हर हिअर. पण एनिवे, ऑल थिंग्स असाइड, अँड इट्स बीन ए प्लेजर knowing you and having you in our lives. म्हणजे आय रिअली अप्रिशिएट इट. आणि खूपच छान वाटलं. आय थिंक यू the amount of like the things that you have brought, you exposed us to, like especially for me, right, like the apply discussions on philosophy, and I just really enjoyed. I can't have enough, I should say that. So they apply discussions on the walks, whether it is the Warsaw Park, Ladera made apply walking. It's just a lot of fun. I mean, मला खूपच आवडतं. सो आय एम कॅन वेटिंग तू कधी येशील इकडे आणि आपण भरपूर गप्पा मारू, मस्त हॅव सम बियर आणि रिलॅक्स. सो एनिवे, आपले ओहायोचे दिवस, केरळा, बॅकवॉटर ट्रिप, मॅन दोज वेअर सम मेमरीज. किती मावशी, काका, तुम्ही मावशी, तू, रादर, मुलं, अमू, चिनू सगळे आलेले. आणि those were some days. So hopefully we can spend more time again. आता तुमचं जरा you getting some free time after the kids. So yeah, looking forward to it. But मस्त मजा कर. इस्तानबुलमध्ये मस्त कबाब बिबाब आण आणि बकलावा खा आणि काय मजा करूया. फोटो बिटो पाठव आणि चल मग. विल टॉक सून. ओके, बाय. हॅपी बर्थडे अगेन.
Hi Kaka, happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. I hope you're enjoying everybody's messages coming in. And so for your birthday, I have written you a poem. I want to read it to you. On your birthday, dear Kaka, let's cheer for a man whose laughter is always dear. A foodie at heart with a love for fish, every meal with you is in itself quite a dish. You're always so jovial. You always lift our spirits so high beneath the vast and endless sky. In your presence, we feel so free, guided by your wisdom, and we can everything so clearly see. So as you tread your spiritual path each day, may peace and good health illuminate your way. Happy birthday, Kaka. Our hearts do sing. To you, dear Kaka, blessings we bring. Many happy returns of the day. Happy 60th. We love you and Maushi very much. Bye.